Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a few hair accessories to go from this ordinary hair bun to this elegant updo that's perfect for prom. So let's begin. If your hair is straight and flat like mine, add some texture and volume to it first. So here I'm just curling the top layer of my hair with my corner U curl, and you don't have to worry about the rest of your hair because it's going to go up in a bun later. Pick up a section of hair at the top of your head and divide it into 2 equal strands. So now this is what you do. Twist the 2 strands together, pick up some hair, add it to the right strand, and then twist. Pick up some hair, add it to the right strand, and twist. Pick up some hair, add it to the right strand, and twist. So basically you want to repeat the exact same steps until you reach the area below your ear. When you go past your ears, end the twist with a rope braid. To do this, take the right strand, place it over the left and twist it towards the right. Then take the right strand, again, place it over the left and twist it towards the right. Doing this will prevent your twist from coming undone. Gather your hair to one side and tie it into a low ponytail. Divide your ponytail into 3 equal sections and do a regular 3-strand braid. When you reach the end, tie it off with an elastic band, then you want to roll up your braid and form a hair bun. When your hair is all up, grab a few bobby pins and secure the bun in place. Continue to insert bobby pins until your bun can hold up on its own. For extra security, take a hair tie and place it over the bun. Take your rope braid, wrap it around the bun to hide the hair tie, then pin it at the back with a bobby pin. To accessorize this hairstyle, I'm going to use my flower bandini and I'm going to bend and snap it in place. Here's the finished look. This hairstyle is perfect for the daytime because it looks nice and effortless. Now to quickly change this hairstyle into an evening look, I'm going to use my Scunsy curly twisters, and this is basically a hair tie surrounded with faux hair. Now I'm going to stretch the hair tie, place it over my hair bun, and as you can see, this changes the look of my hairstyle in a blink of the eye. Choose another hair accessory, and then all you have to do is bend and snap it in place. If you want to, go ahead and fix your hair with a few more bobby pins. So here's the finished look using my curly twisters by Scunsy, and this is actually a fun accessory if you want to change up your look without spending too much time on it. You can also change the look of this hairstyle by changing up your bangs. This hairstyle looks great without bangs. You've already seen them with my side swept bangs, but now I feel like trying something a little bit more different. Clip-on faux bangs are fun if you want to change up the look of your bangs without that long-term commitment. Here's the third and final look using clip-on bangs. Let me know what you guys think, yay or nay? And now it's giveaway time. One of my lucky viewers will get to win everything I used in this video and more. So here's what you'll get: the curly twisters in brunette, the blonde version in case you're a blonde, 2 Scunsy faux hair bangs, 1 blonde and 1 brunette, the Conner U curl with the extra large wand, the Conner Carbon Smooth Thermal Round Brush. I have one too. This is great for those who have layered hair because it curbs flyaways and adds shine. You'll also receive the Scunsy ponytailers, which can be worn as hair ties or bracelets. And finally, you'll receive the Scunsy hair chalk kits. Most of these products can be found at Walgreens, Walmart, and CVS, but if you would like to enter the giveaway, then please read the rules in the video description down below. Good luck and thanks so much for watching. Bye! Subscribe to my channel to be notified of new videos and feel free to check out my other hair tutorials.